What's the meaning of assortment? Assortment. Assortment.
Assortment. Assortment. Assortment refers to a collection of items that are grouped together based on certain similarities or criteria. This can include anything from a selection of products in a store to a range of options for a particular service. The purpose of an assortment is to provide customers with a variety of choices and make it easier for them to find what they are looking for. By having an assortment, businesses are able to cater to a wider range of preferences and increase the likelihood of customer satisfaction.